and it's Indiraa, your kitchen diva. And I'm going to show you how I used up all the stuff in my fridge. Now, I have spring onions, I have chives, I have pak choy, I have gailan, and I have garlic stems here, all this together, and I have these wonderful red chilies. They aren't as hot if you don't hit the veins. It's like anything, you hit the veins and you've got problems. And I also had garlic, ginger and onions, which I've pasted up. And needless to say, all my sauces in my fridge, which you're going to soon enjoy. So here we go. I'm going to take some oil on my heated pan. Let's move this aside so my pan works. That's it. Now this this can be eaten accompanied with fish or rice or whatever you want. It's a fantastic way of using up your vegetables, and the same veg can be used in stock with noodles, and you can make a soup. It's up to you. Now I'm going to add garlic and ginger with onions all ground up together. Oh, it's so aromatic. I love that. And we just get that raw taste out of it. We don't want that raw taste, do we? Nope. Now, I'm going to add soy sauce, my rice vinegar, mirin, and a wee bit, very wee bit of oyster sauce, and lemon juice. I've used the squeezy today because I ran out of lemons. Now, it has soy sauce, so I don't need a lot of salt. And we let this lose its strong smell. Pedro, could I have the sugar from there, please? So that's all. I'm taking half a teaspoon actually of sugar. Oh, delicious. Now I'm burning off the vinegar so it doesn't get too vinegary. That's a very technical term, by the way. Only used on rare occasions. Vinegary. Now, the onion obviously browns and so does garlic and so on. So your sauce starts getting a bit darker. Vinegar's burning off, and now I've got this wonderful chili. I'm going to chop into this. This is fantastic with fish or rice, or gosh, it slices with everything, even with grilled meats. Just even this plain sauce dumped into the grilled meats are lovely. And that's it. Now to this, I'm going to put in the coriander, the garlic leaves, pak choy, spring onions, and I'll give it a good old stir with preferably a spoon. It's lovely and fresh. And I'm going to turn that off in 2 minutes and it'll be done. So here we are. I'm going to get that lid off and As you can see, it is very nice and fresh looking. Now, I'm going to put that, and we're going to have this tonight served with some salmon and a fresh mango and semi-ripe mango salad. So now here it is, and I turn that off. And head roll. Would you like to try some, sir?
Vegetable?
Oh no, maybe not. You can have that later when I serve it up, shall I?
Yeah. Oh,
Just a
thank you.